Hello students, now we will discuss about class Amphibia. Organisms under Amphibia are said to be evolved during Carboniferous period. We know that already we have seen Pisces or fishes have been evolved during Devonian period. Like that, amphibians have been evolved during Carboniferous period. Their habitat is land and fresh water. It is not marine water. They are first chordates that came onto land, but they move to water for reproduction. These amphibians, they show both hibernation and estivation. Hibernation means during winter season, to escape from abnormal situations or climatic changes, they used to hide just below the soil layers. That is called as winter sleep or termed as hibernation. Estivation, it is also called as summer sleep. During again the summer season, to escape from the abnormal heat or other abnormal climatic conditions, they used to go to the earth layers, below the earth layers, and hide for a few time period, means some time period. That is called as summer sleep or estivation. They undergo hibernation and estivation to overcome to escape from unfavorable conditions. Body is divided into head and trunk. Neck is reduced here. Body is divided into head and trunk. They have forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs have 4 digits or 4 fingers. Hind limbs have 5 digits or 5 fingers. Forelimbs have 4 fingers. Hind limbs have 5 fingers. The skin is smooth and moist in nature, and it helps in cutaneous respiration, or the gaseous exchange through the skin is called as cutaneous respiration, or normally we can say it helps in respiration. Skin is moist, smooth, and there are no scales like that of fishes, and scaleless. So skin helps in case of amphibians for cutaneous respiration. Skin helps in cutaneous respiration, means the respiration that is performed by skin is called cutaneous respiration. Next, on the skin, how can it help in cutaneous respiration? Means on the skin there are numerous number of mucus secreting glands. They secrete and maintain the moisture on the skin surface. Next, mouth is bigger and teeth are of Polyphyodont means they means shed off many times and they again regrow or get regenerated many times. Such type of teeth are called polyphyodont. Poly means many. Mouth is bigger and teeth are of polyphyodont. Next, all teeth are of same type, so called as homodont type of teeth. Next, alimentary canal, that is digestive system, is well developed and it is having cloaca. We know that cloaca is the common opening for excretory waste material for reproduction and for common opening for digestive system also. So it has cloaca. Cloaca is common opening for digestive system. I am writing as just DS means digestive system plus excretory system plus reproductive system. Such opening is called as cloaca. Respiration is with the help of cutaneous respiration, and during larval stage it will be having gills. In adult it will be having lungs also. Respiration during a larval form is by gills, and in adult there are some exceptions. During adult also some amphibians will be having gills. Adult by lungs. And we have seen cutaneous respiration, the respiration by gills, in larval forms by lungs. Amphibians also exhibit buccopharyngeal respiration and buccopharyngeal respiration. Next, they are cold-blooded animals or said as poikilotherms. Means which have capacity to change their body temperature according to surroundings. Heart is three-chambered heart and it shows mixed circulation or a mixed type of blood. Means here oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood are mixed in the ventricle part of the heart. So the three-chambered heart is carrying mixed blood in case of amphibians. Heart is three-chambered with mixed blood circulation. So here in case of amphibians, there is a structure sinus venosus and truncus arteriosus. It is well developed. So sinus venosus and truncus arteriosus are well developed. If we draw the diagram of a frog heart, we can divide. This is a rough diagram, doesn't exactly look like that. If you think this is a ventricle and this is right auricle or atrium, this is left auricle or atrium, from the body organs, the right auricle receives deoxygenated blood through a structure called sinus venosus that I have written here. So here is connected sinus venosus. This is left auricle. So through this sinus venosus, deoxygenated blood is pumped into ventricle. Through the left atrium, oxygenated blood is pumped into again the ventricle from the lungs. Now here blood is mixed and then it is pumped through common outlet that is called as truncus arteriosus again into lungs and body parts. So here it is truncus arteriosus. So deoxygenated blood through sinus venosus, common mixed blood out of the heart through truncus arteriosus. So these are the two structures that are present in the heart. In case of frog, both renal portal system and hepatic portal system. Portal system means if any two body organs are circulating blood among themselves without in contact with heart, means they are not, for suppose liver is there, kidney is there. These are two different body organs. The blood from liver, deoxygenated blood, it has to get pumped into heart. Then after purifying, it can be circulated into kidneys. Such type of circulation is commonly seen. If the blood is not flowing like that, and blood, if it is directly circulating from liver to kidney without interaction with that of heart, such type of blood circulatory system is called as portal blood circulatory system. But here liver is also termed as hepatic organ. We are telling amphibians also have hepatic portal system and renal portal system. From kidney also it can be directly circulated into other body organs. Renal means kidney related term. Renal portal system and hepatic portal system are present. RBC in case of amphibians, it is biconvex shaped and it is nucleated. If you take human beings, in case of human beings, RBC is biconcave shaped and enucleated, means no nucleus in the adult RBC. RBC is biconvex and enucleated. Biconvex in the sense the shape of RBC is like this and it is a nucleus. So we are telling biconvex. In case of human beings, the RBC shape will be like this. So we are telling it is biconcave in case of human beings. This we don't need now. Skull is dicondylic, means two condyles form into one single skull-like structure, like that of human beings, same, dicondylic. These are nothing but bones-like structure. There is no external ear. No external ear, but has tympanum that indicates ear. Middle ear, middle part of ear will say, has single bone, this is the smallest bone, called stapes. Stapes is also termed as columella. Next, eyes have eyelids. There will be third eyelid also. Cranium has 10 cranial nerves, means pairs of cranial nerves. Cranial nerves are of 10 pairs. Next, fertilization in case of amphibians, it is external fertilization. And larval form we see, that is tadpole larva. Fertilization is external. Well, but some amphibians show internal fertilization also. Mostly amphibians are oviparous. They lay eggs, but some are viviparous also. Example is a salamander. Other example is a salamander. Salamander. It is having forelimbs and hindlimbs. It is vivipary. The larval form normally we say in amphibians as tadpole larva, but here it is another one, that is axolotl larva. Axolotl larva. Actually, this is not in NCERT, but just learn the difference between normal amphibians and the exception, that is vivipary, and not the tadpole larva, it is axolotl larva. Just for the difference I have given here. Another Congo eel is there in case of amphibians. It is having the largest RBC. That example is also not in NCERT. Okay, other example we will write. Rana tigrina. Other one buffo is there, that is what we call as a toad fishes, toad frogs. That is Indian bullfrog. Next, buffo. That is common toad. Toad frogs. Next, hyla. Tree frog. You can see this one in different colors also. Mostly we see this one in lightish yellow or green in color. Next, Ichthyophis, we have finished one example, buffo, and hyla we have finished, that is a tree, salamander, amphibians. So since there is a larval form here, development is indirect type of development. You can write here, development is indirect. Direct means without larval form, indirect means having larval forms. So these are important NCERT textbook points that are required for NEET purpose of exam.